Sharing with you some of my favorite things that I like to keep around so that I can make sure my outfits look really crisp and put together. You can have a really great wardrobe, but if you don't know how to take care of it properly, you're not going to look as put together as you'd want. So definitely having a steam iron like this is the Pure Steam Iron. Having your iron and ironing board ready to go is a great way to look put together, so make sure that you have them somewhere easy to reach. There's no point in having an ironing board and an iron if you're not going to use them on a daily basis. That's really going to give you that little extra something special that makes you look more tailored, expensive, and put together. And then with that, same thing, if you have your clothes ironed and crisp, if you have a few little hairs or threads, especially if you have pets, dangling from your clothes, you're definitely going to want to keep a lint roller handy. I always keep one somewhere near the door. So this one comes with the refillable sheets. The combination of having ironed pressed clothes and lint-free clothes will make you look that much more polished and expensive.